The sacredness of the woman to her ability to conceive has prevailed. So, with high regard sa ito ang mga bagay, like the one thing that women that go into reproduce, hindi kaya sa iba, hindi kaya sa lalaki. So, they were considered highly because of the ability to receive. Ano pa? This makes societies egalitarian. So in our gender and society, we have what we call the egalitarian. So when we say egalitarian, equal, woman may say equal, ano? Okay. So, egalitarian. Next. Gender and sexuality have been complex. So when we say complex, complicado, very broad. So complex and evolving aspects of human society throughout history. This concept have been shaped by cultural, social, and historical factors. So, bukas din our gender and sexuality is what? It is affected by our environment. Let's say, si Miss Blam, kung ang barkada niya, puro tomboy, most likely tomboy din siya. Right? Si Jan, kung ang barkada ni Jan, puro bakla, most likely si Jan, up. Ano siya, bali laki? Bali. Buy one, take one. How does it feel?